Keys for You operates in the local Chingford area at 24 hours a day, 7 days a week emergency service with a minimum 30 minutes response time. If you are looking for a professional locksmith in your current area, we are available for any issues that may arise. May it be a lockout, may it be a lock replacement, or even to fix a lock. All our staff are carefully recruited and periodically trained to the highest quality customer service and are fully CRB checked. We carry a large range of locks conforming to British standards BS3 621. We also provide a full site security survey looking at your locks and all your additional security needs. Here at Keys for You, not only do we supply locks, we supply alarms, security gates, security grills, and are full installers of front doors or internal doors for your property. No job is too small or too big, as we can do any job, any day, any time. All our work comes with a full warranty for labour and parts.
Call Keys for You now for your 24/7 local emergency response.